Hey, Roscoe.
You want to put her in the snow so she can make a snow angel?
Yes, I want a snow angel. You gonna make me a snow angel? Daddy wants a snow angel, honey.
Here, I'll put her down there.
Watch out for the yellow snow.
Yep.
Claire's first kind of sort of snow angel. Alright, start wiggling. Hurry up, Jess. Hurry up. Help her, hurry up. Hurry up. Yay! Alright. Mama's being ugly. Now she got snow in her butt.